Listen, your life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes in small habits you repeat every single day. And these 10 habits that'll quietly upgrade your entire life. Number 1, start your morning before the world wakes up. When everyone else is sleeping, you get a head start. No noise, no messages, just you and your goals. Number 2, make your bed. Not because it looks pretty, but because it tells your brain, I'm in control today. Not my mood, not my excuses. Number 3, pick one hard thing every morning. A cold shower, a quick workout, meditation. Whatever scares you a little. If you conquer discomfort early, everything else becomes easier. Number 4, protect your first hour. No phone, no scroll. Your mind is the most powerful when it's untouched. Use that time for yourself. Number 5, move your body. Stretch, walk, gym, anything. Motion creates momentum. Lazy body, lazy mind, active body to an unstoppable mind. Number 6, drink water like it's fuel because it is. Most people are tired, not because they're weak, but because they're dehydrated. Number 7, keep your space clean. A messy room creates a messy life. Clean space, clear thoughts, sharper decisions. Number 8, read or learn for 10 minutes. Just 10. One idea, one sentence can completely shift the way you think. Number 9, keep one daily promise to yourself. Do what you said you'll do, even if it's small. That's how you build self-respect. That's how confidence grows. Number 10, end your day by writing 3 wins. Doesn't matter how tiny. I drank enough water. I didn't quit today. I showed up. These small wins build big identities. These 10 habits won't change your life in a week, but they will change your life forever. Slowly, silently, powerfully. Because transformation doesn't happen when you talk about changing. It happens when you consistently do the things no one else sees. This is how you upgrade your life, one small habit at a time. Comment below. Your transformation begins the moment you type